dry lips, so I'm gonna be putting some lip plumper from Push It Down. Pause that commercial.
Okay. Congratulations for your appointment.
Thank you.
No problem.
Welcome home to my new place. Girl got her keys. We're gonna take a look at this hallway. This right here is my closet. This is my closet space. I don't know if I'm gonna turn it into the kitchen pantry as yet, or if I'm gonna like store stuff in it, but it's super big. Like space here, and it's also very high. That's what I really love about this apartment. It's like super high and long. Walk down this hall, right? When you come here, this is the bathroom. Come and take a look. This is my bathroom. Look at my mirror. Like, I'm so excited to be recording, doing my tutorial in here. Like, I just love it so much. I really love like this. The gold fixture is just like really doing it for me. The other thing I love about my bathroom is this marble. The counter is marble, the floor is marble, and the wall is like marbly, right? Under here is it's super big. It's a lot of storage space. Yes. And then look, like I'm tall, so the fact that like my shower, like, you know, like I feel like the fact that I could like stand. One thing I'm definitely gonna be changing is right here. Definitely gonna be changing it. And that's it for the bathroom. Look at the door, like even the door is so wide. The next thing we have here is my laundry room. We have the dryer at the top. And we have the washing machine, and you can take a closer look. So the laundry room is not much. It's not much, but I do see like room where I could put like store stuff up here. And I'll just like put some shelves here, which is gonna be so hard to install. I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out with this. But I love it. It's out the way. I could just like close it while my guests are over, and like they won't know. They don't know that this is the laundry room. I love this hallway. Like I have so much big plans for this hallway. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of mirror in here where I can see myself. But at the door, it's not like shoe stand. So I'm wondering if like for my guests, if I should have like the shoe stand somewhere down here. But it's just perfect. I don't know, I should show you guys the bedroom right now because it's just carpet with a closet that I'm gonna redo my closet. So I don't know if I should show you guys the bedroom, but take a look at my living room. Watch me walk down this way, like I have all the space. Okay, so what I really love about this apartment is that it's a high-rise building and I have long windows. Like this is my favorite part of it, and I don't even have to bring the curtains because I already have blinds. So I put the blinds down, put the blinds all the way up, you know. The windows can be open, but I have to figure out how to open the windows yet. I don't want my intrusive thought to win. But I am going to have a balcony right here just for my flowers. So we'll see Oh, so big. Okay, now to my favorite part. Welcome to my kitchen. This is where all the magic is going to be happening because I'm definitely going to step into my cooking skills. I shall be here cooking every day. This kitchen has a lot of storage. Let's start with the cabinet. Everything in here have gold fixtures and all the doors are magnetic. So if I'm doing this and I want to close it, it doesn't slam. It goes in softly. The shelves are super wide, super deep. It's so much storage. Like take a look inside of it. Literally goes all the way back here. So much storage. I feel like I'm gonna put like my plates and utensils there. There's gonna be like the utensil drawer right there. Up here, I'm super tall, so the average person won't be able to like reach up here. I'm gonna have my little sister try to get up there so I can show you guys the real height. Oh, she's tall too, I forgot. But yeah, she's so pretty. Why are you so pretty? Like, you're really my sister, I love you. Thanks for being here with me on my special day. Don't get that. Huggy. Oh, she's gonna get her phone. Who's calling us? Boston. Get unlikely. This is my microwave. I just feel like this is a regular microwave. Like, it's nothing special. This is another cabinet. I was telling my little sister that this is gonna be for my niece, her and my niece, and then the rest is like gonna be for me. And I'm gonna store like juice and stuff down here. Look how wide it is. Like, come take a closer look. Look, it goes all the way back. Look, like I can't even reach. It's so much space. And I have another drawer. This is my fridge. I was hoping to get like a different fridge where I have my ice maker, but unfortunately this one doesn't come with an ice maker. Everything is brand new. I am the first one to live in here, so you can take a look at my brand new fridge. A storage drawer right here, which I'm excited about. I have other storage down here. And I have other storage unit for these shelves. Like, it's a lot of shelving right here. So I could definitely like switch this around. And yeah, this is the fridge. Come over here. This is another shelf. It's at the island. Can you see me? I'm super excited about this because like, it's so deep. I can store all my pots, like, I can store everything in it. But what I'm excited for, I'm excited for this drawer. It's like so deep. It really has like a lot of stuff. This drawer, come see. And it also has the gold fixture, which I love. I have a super deep storage unit there. You can take a look. And my dishwasher smells so amazing. This dishwasher here, right? So I did a test run just to make sure that it's working, and it's good. It smells fresh. This is an island. The island is big, but I'm happy that inside the island I have a lot of storage. Because even my dishwasher, it goes all the way back. Like, this is not a small dishwasher. It's super big. And I'm grateful. But you know, black people never really use the dishwasher. Like, what's a dishwasher? If you take a look at my sink, water to be pouring like that. I could pull it down and like wash my sink out and all that good stuff. And I really love the fact that the sink is deep, which means I can store stuff in it. I really feel like what's missing is a chandelier. I wish I had a chandelier right like up here. And I'm thinking about like installing one for real. Yeah, that's it for the kitchen. And I'm a private person. I don't know when I'm gonna show you guys the bedroom, but I am gonna do like a bedroom transformation. And I'm gonna do my closet transformation. But what do you think, Marissa? Do you think I should show them my bedroom?
I think you should wait till you're like done decorating.
Alright. So you guys, I want to just take a minute to show you guys the gym. I love the gym. As I said, this is a brand new apartment. There is cameras everywhere and I love that. There's a bathroom, there's utility room, different gym electricity, treadmill. These are all brand new. Look at this, this is 15 pounds. Like you guys, I cannot miss a gym day with these. Like I will be doing the 75 hard challenge and I'm gonna be in this gym twice a day. And if you come over here, we have the ball. We have different mats, which is so cute. They're still brand new. There's so much stuff. Let me step back a little bit more. There's so much stuff. I have jump rope. I have axe machine. I got so much stuff. So I'm so excited. But yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, so this is it for my empty apartment tour. Thank you guys so much for being on this journey with me. If it wasn't for my business, if it wasn't for God, and you know, if it wasn't for my self-will, I would not have been able to get the apartment off my dream. Like I'm super proud of myself. I pass this apartment every day because they've been making it for like 3 years now. It's a new apartment building. I'm like, God, I wish I could afford to live in that building. Like, it's so luxurious, but it's like so expensive. I'm like, God, please. And who would have figured? Like, a couple months later, I'm literally living here. Like, this is the apartment of my dream. Like the gold, from like the gold doors to the floor, like I just literally feel like it's my kingdom. Like, I can't explain it. It's just like a wonderful feeling, but I'm so grateful. I'm happy I trust in God. If you want to make your big move, leave it to God. Leave it to God, but put the work in. I am going to link my business down below. If you guys like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because all the apartment content will be rolling in, baby, okay? Click the link down below and shop at my store, Kiwi Collections. Right now, I'm gonna come closer. I'm wearing the lip plumper. Only lip plumper. Alright, and that's like lip gloss and go, that's it. Check the store out. Check my Amazon storefront out. God bless you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you to my little sister for being here with me when I get my keys to my first apartment. And bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.